Yo, I know my third video, I want to be happier, and this is what I do for a living. I make car sounds with my mouth. That was Lamborghini Huracan. This is another car, Toyota Supra.